Hello and thank you for your interest in exploring more about Applied Technology High School. Located on the campus of Bergen Community College, Applied Technology High School is a fully integrated high school and pre-college program. With less than 400 students, ATHS provides the personal engagement of a small school while also giving access to the wide range of resources, athletic teams, and extracurricular activities afforded to students of Bergen County Technical Schools and Bergen Community College. Our mission is to provide hands-on technical training while also preparing students for the rigors of post-secondary education. Upon entering ATHS, all students are immediately dual enrolled at Bergen Community College and start earning college credits in classes taught by real professors from the college. With our help, students begin to learn the critical thinking, communication, and self-management skills necessary for success in college. All tuition, transportation fees, and other costs associating with earning college credits are covered by Bergen County Technical Schools. In their core program, students typically earn between 30 and 40 college credits from Bergen Community College. By taking a few extra college courses either during their high school career or upon graduation, students can also earn their associate's degree. Whether your student is interested in mechatronics, health professions, or cybersecurity, let Applied Technology High School provide you with a unique high school experience. This is an exciting time to be learning health professions. Everyone assumes that health professions immediately relates to being a doctor or nurse, and of course they're correct. However, there are many rewarding careers in the healthcare field, and ATHS is dedicated to providing exposure to many of these different professions. In their freshman year, in addition to their simulations and medical explorations courses, the healthcare profession students travel to the college simulation lab approximately once a week to carry out more in-depth simulations in a lifelike center that is set up to represent a hospital floor. The simulation course teaches them the skills that they need to carry out patient assessments, and they also learn how to perform exams of all the body systems. Medical simulation mannequins are used for the students to practice these skills. In their sophomore year simulations course, students learn about medical abnormalities and how to assess them, legal issues in healthcare, keeping professional records, and many other skills needed to succeed in the healthcare field. They also begin learning the language of medicine in their medical terminology course. In their senior year, students will take a professional certification course, Emergency Medical Responder, in which they can earn their CPR and EMR certifications. Additionally, all healthcare profession students are also enrolled in HOSA, the Health Occupation Students of America. This is an organization that promotes leadership and networking, provides community service opportunities, national and international competitions, and provides many scholarship opportunities to its members. Mechatronics is an engineering design program where students learn by building. Students will design systems with AutoCAD, fabricate their designs using 3D printers, and use both traditional and advanced tools like bandsaws, drill presses, vacuum form machines, and laser cutters to create and build their products. Additionally, students will build radio-controlled and autonomous robots utilizing interdependent systems and motors. In 9th grade, mechatronics students will start by building gliders before moving on to rockets, small microprocessors, and then robotics. In their sophomore year, students will enter group challenges and even create pitching machine robots that integrate the physics of projectile motion. At the same time, students will keep professional engineering notebooks documenting everything they do in class. ATHS Mechatronics also partners with local and county businesses to create professional design challenges where students must pitch, create, and present to business executives in a Shark Tank-style exhibition. All mechatronics students are enrolled in TSA, the Technology Student Association. TSA is a national nonprofit organization of high school and middle school student members who are engaged in STEM. Through TSA, students have the opportunity to compete and network on the local, state, and national level. Cybersecurity is the newest major to be added at ATHS. While this is certainly a media buzzword as of late, what actually is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is everything related to the protecting of personal information, intellectual property, data, and information from theft and damage from malicious actors. Does that sound like a broad topic? Yes, and that's exactly the point. Students involved in the ATHS cybersecurity major have a wide variety of careers to choose from based on any number of topics they find they relate to. Of course, this requires strong fundamentals in networking, programming, and Windows and Linux administration. In 9th grade, students will be exposed to absolutely everything, including PC hardware, networking, Windows and Linux, coding, ethical hacking, incident response, and digital forensics. In their sophomore year, cybersecurity students will begin taking college classes in the topics that they were exposed to the year before. We have an unprecedented 4 years to focus and create the first generation of native cybersecurity professionals. At age 14, your students will be participating in recognized Capture the Flag tournaments and Zooming with cybersecurity professionals in the field. All cybersecurity students are also enrolled in the same TSA program as mechatronics. As a dual-enrolled student at Applied Technology High School, your student will be eased into increasing responsibility and a gradual 4-year transition into college life. 9th and 10th grade students are bused from the high school to the college. The safety of your students is our utmost concern. And, as everyone is college enrolled, all ATHS students have access to college resources like the college gym and weight room, library, and even the college tutoring center. Even though we are a small school, all students can be involved in all of the clubs and activities of our much larger district, including yearbook, debate club, Model UN, and even esports. Student athletes play sports with students of the greater BCTS district. All students can experience a full and fulfilling high school experience, even in this wholly unique environment. Thank you for watching. Links to the application process, including an entire handbook outlining the process, can be viewed on the left. We all look forward to seeing you next year.